This is a run through of Time After Time by the Eva Cassidy version, kind of without using a E-shaped bar chord like that. We're going to put a capo on the 2nd fret. We're going to start off, this is your thumb 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now they're going to pretty much sit, the thumb is going to sit on the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 the entire time pretty much, unless the bass is on the E string, in which case it's going to move. So we start off and we pinch our thumb and first finger together, and you on a C chord. And then what you're going to do is your little finger is going to hammer on. It's going to hammer on like that. So you're going to get super close up. Okay, so it goes.
It's a good angle.
Thanks. So we've got C, and then your little finger comes off, and you play with your right hand, first finger, second finger, third finger. That's the 4th, 3rd, 2nd strings. And then you lift your 2nd finger on your left hand up. So the whole riff goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that little hammer on is really, really quick. It goes like that. Okay, so our intro goes, we have 1 bar of this. And then we have similar kind of thing. Now, instead of those last 2 notes, we're going to switch here to a G with a B bass. You can leave your first finger on because we're not going to strike that string. We're going to pinch the 5 and 4 again. So together, and then the G string. And then we're going to play an A minor. And then a G major, but you only need really to put that finger on because we're not going to play any of the strings that are in the regular chord. Usually you play that. That's a G, or whatever you like. But so we go. So we've got 5 and 2. That's the strings. Pinch those. Then 4, 3, 4, G, and F. So let's just count through that. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. Then the verse happens. Now the verse is exactly the same as that bar of C except without the hammer on. So we just play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you get that 8 times. Okay. Then we've got a pre-chorus. Now it starts off with F and it has an anticipated switch. So instead of going 1 and 2 and then change chord 3 and 4 and it does 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now these chords, this is an F, and then we're going to leave our 2nd finger there and our 3rd finger is going to go on a G at the bottom to play this nice G add 9 chord. So we've got F, G add 9, E minor, F. Same kind of rhythm. Okay, so we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Little tricky bit. So that's 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, and then your little finger goes onto a D, makes an E minor 7, take those at the same time, and then hit an E. So, second time round, F, G, E minor, F, G. Played it wrong. Second time round. F, G, E minor, F, F, G. Then count a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4 into the second verse. Sounds exactly the same this time round. Blah blah blah. Lots of that. 8 times you play this. And then we go pre-chorus. F, G, E minor, F, F, G, E, fancy bit. F, G, E minor, F. Now, this time instead of doing that little last F bit, like we did when we did the pre-chorus the first time, we go straight into the chorus. So, all that kind of jazz sort of thing. So you could actually let it ring. So you could go E minor, F, that kind of thing. So we're going to go the G add 9, A minor, F, G, so this is F, just slide the whole thing up 2, and then play C, G, so, you know, and you can change the pattern around. Something quite nice is to put a G on top, so you can go like this. C. And then I think she runs the verse again, maybe in a pre-chorus. At the very end there's like a coda section and it just goes F, the bit that goes time after time, time after time. That's just F, G, C. You can play those chords anyway. I mean, she made an arrangement of the thing in the first place, so.